Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty at your man MARKELPRINES, Mr. RVADelivered.com. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home. And I'm back at it again with another quick affiliate marketing food for action moment. Now this right here is a deep message and it resonates with me, and I know it will with all of you viewers. It comes from another one of my business partners. His name is Herman Bach London, and here's the message that he has for beginner affiliate marketers or anyone who is looking to make money online and has had a journey. And we're going to hear a little bit about his journey, and like I said, I can kind of relate to what he's saying in this, and hopefully this will resonate with you all. So let's get to it. You don't need to spam your audience. You don't need an ad budget. You don't need a Facebook page. You don't need to be a technical whiz kid. If this is true, what do you actually need? My biggest problem when starting was the information overload I was subjected to at the beginning. I spent countless hours going to Google and YouTube and searching for hours and watching hundreds of videos. I mean, these guys seem to be highly successful. If I somehow managed to duplicate what they did, I also could very soon start receiving online commissions. So I wasted tons of my precious time and money doing things they recommended in a very haphazard way and with no particular method. I did traffic exchanges, I ran solo ads, I spent hours clicking on safeless emails. I posted relentlessly in Facebook groups, but they didn't work because I had no system. I was just doing what several unrelated videos said would work. Here's what I learned that you do need. You need a proven system. You need a mentor that cares about your success. You need a step-by-step blueprint you can easily follow. You need a community that supports you. Boom, I said it. I wish I was really special myself, but the truth is, what I do is just to plug into a system that has been proven to work. I just follow the blueprint and let the system do the rest. It has been proven to work. Once you get the hang of it, it can be boring, but it works. I guess what I want to say is, don't overcomplicate things. Awesome message. And just to cap it off with a picture, don't overcomplicate things. Making money doesn't have to be difficult. And that's the simple fact of the matter. And with that, we're going to end this video, but hopefully that resonated with some of you guys who have been trying to make money online with affiliate marketing or whatever you call your particular niche. It's a struggle. It's a challenge. But of course, there's some key things that you need in order to be successful in this industry. And a lot of those key things was given in this message. So if you guys want to be a part of a community and be a part of a system that actually allows you the ability to learn how to create a passive residual income from home and avoid the complications of doing things that really don't work, then click the link in the description so that you can get with individuals like myself and my business partners, great people like Mr. Herman Bach London. Send them a message, find out how they can be of service to you and how you can be of service to them, and how we can all build a strong community. And with that, once again, this is your boy, Betty at your man, MARKELPRINES, Mr. RVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home, and you can also. Have a great rest of your day.
This might be the most important message you will hear this year. My name is Martin and I am the official spokesperson for RVA Delivered. First, I would like to thank you for visiting our site and taking the first step to obtaining financial freedom with affiliate marketing from the comfort of your home. I'm going to get straight to the point. By clicking the link to this page that said to us that you are looking for a proven system to help you make money. Well, you are in the right place. In our research, we have identified not only the best system for creating a residual income from home, we also identified the two main reasons why most people are not successful with affiliate marketing. 1. High-priced training courses. And 2. Having to create content showing their face and getting burned out due to a lack of content ideas. Here at RVA Delivered, we have everything covered. We believe in creating partnerships, not customers, and that skills pay bills, so the majority of the training is free or low cost. Our goal is to do everything possible to help our partners become successful because their success is our success. And notice this is a simple animated video, one of many that has helped us create income without having to be on camera but providing the same value and endless content possibilities. So here's what we are offering you, and I can guarantee you will not find anything like this anywhere. I'm going to give you the key to success with affiliate marketing. 1. You have to use the proper tools. 2. You have to have a great product to promote. And 3. You need to be trained in how to use those tools and how to promote that product. Now, if you look below this video, there are a few of the tools that have allowed us to grow a six-figure business from home with affiliate marketing without having to show our faces on camera. The first is an all-in-one marketing platform that has all the tools you will need to create your website/sales funnels and 30+ additional tools, all with free training. Then we have the #1 video creating software in the world, the same one that is allowing you to see this video, and it also provides free training to learn how to use its simple drag and drop cloud-based software. Now, the best thing about the first one is that it also has an affiliate component that will allow you to make money promoting the tool. So with that, you have all three bases covered. For those that may want to learn a new skill, we would like to invite you to visit our Skills Pay Bills page, where you can access various trainings. New training are added regularly. At this time, I would like to encourage you to bookmark this page and get started on your success journey today. Thanks for your time. And in the words of our CEO, skills pay bills, get you some.